Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna to show you again how I wear my dress. I mean my wedding dress, and let's see what happened because I already wear it 2 times and it's not fit because the zip is little bit. And I just need someone to zip up the wedding dress, and maybe today I'm gonna to use something else, and let's check it out. But before that, to show you my dress. This one is from, it's just cheap dress. I think it's from Bershka. And this one is kid size dress. So, okay, now we're gonna go to my dress. So guys, here is my wedding dress. There you go. Now we're gonna have to zip them. I need to climb again. Ta-da! Like you already see it, like you already know it. Here is it. This one. This one is, so the dress will be like this. That's why this one, okay? You need to put it inside first, and then you wear this one. My voice is gone. Okay, but before that, I'm gonna to do my hair. I just do simple. So, like this. Okay, and then take small piece. Again. So, and one more, last one. Like this. So you can see. I just gonna do like this. This is so weird. Yeah, it's so rare. Gonna put so if you don't like this one in front, you can get. You can add this one. There, I'm finished. So we're gonna try the wedding dress now. You know what? I have to take my dress. You're not gonna to look at it, okay? Today I'm gonna to try using ribbon and some baby pin. Okay, Bismillah. The zip, I'm gonna to do like this. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Bismillah. Woo! That not good. So guys, it's fail. We're gonna use something else. Fail because this one is too heavy, so it's not work. So I'm gonna use this one. Oh my god, that's so. I need help. I'm gonna use that. It's also feel I cannot use this one. The dress is just too heavy. Okay, I will try again another days. I will try again using other thing. But now on, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. I think I need to small my body first, diet also to get this pass, or I just need maybe my husband to do it to help me behind. So guys, I'm trying my best and every way, but it's just fail. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. It's too bad I just cannot wear this one. It's just beautiful dress.